Hi there, everybody. You're traveling with me, Jack, and of course, as always, with my beautiful heavenly wife, Pam, and we really are doing some traveling today. We're outside of beautiful Payson, Arizona. In fact, let me around, heading towards evening, and just look at the view that we're seeing. Absolutely gorgeous country here. Payson is located about 80 miles from Phoenix. But the big difference is we're in the high country. It's called the rim country here. Elevation just over 5,000 feet in the city of Payson. And where I'm at now, a few miles outside of Payson, we're probably at 5,400 feet. We came up here today to check out some beautiful hiking. It was called Water Wheel Falls. In fact, I'll bring in some video here and you can kind of see what I'm talking about. You're literally walking up and over these giant boulders, and you're going down through this canyon where the creek runs, and you can see various waterfalls all along the way. Again, just absolutely gorgeous. A bit challenging at times, but I saw a lot of families with kids. You just got to hang on to them and be careful as you're going up and over those rocks, but well worth the effort. Again, that's the Water Wheel Falls Trail, and you can go pretty deep in there. We ended up doing about 3.5 miles round trip, and then I started taking a little scenic drive across the area, and that's what I'm sharing with you now. Earlier in the day, check out some of this video. It's in a beautiful park in Payson, and I apologize, I do not remember the name of the park, but here's all you got to remember. You're going to be looking for the Zane Grey cabin, and they got signs around town telling you about it. Zane Grey was that famous Western author who they made all kinds of Western movies out of his books. He was also an avid outdoorsman. Now this museum, it's called the Rim Country Museum in Payson, is really, really cool. It's actually 2 levels, all kinds of historical things on display, with, of course, a big emphasis on Zane Grey and his works. And you can see it's a very Western-themed museum. Now, he also has his cabin on site, sitting up above this beautiful lake in the park. That's an extra fee to visit the cabin. I just spent $4 and did the museum and walked around the cabin from the outside. And again, just a really, really fun place to go. So that's kind of how my day was here in Arizona. Again, if you're ever in Phoenix and it's in the summertime, you're thinking, oh, brother, it's really hot. Just get in the car and take this drive up to Payson. It took me maybe an hour 15 minutes to get up here, and what a difference it is. And again, a beautiful, different type of environment from the desert. I mean, you're replacing a cactus with these towering pine trees, and then other types of trees, and then along the creek there's some lush green areas that you look at that and you think that looks like somewhere maybe in Tennessee or Kentucky. You see the pictures there, just really, really beautiful. And again, though, it's just all that difference you have when you get up here at the 5,000 foot level. So again, lots of things to see and do in this area. I'm sure I'll be back multiple times because there are lots and lots of trails in this area. And again, if you're up here, do check out that Rim Country Museum, which has an emphasis on Zane Grey, the Western writer. So we're going to turn the camera here again, give you one last view at our little drive, and you can see just really, really beautiful. Thanks again for watching. Keep subscribing. Tell others about our channel from time to time, and the podcast. We appreciate the support that you guys and girls give us on that, especially financially as well. So again, thanks for being here. Make it a great day. Better yet, a better tomorrow. And bye now from the Rim Country of Arizona.